Republica Bolivariana de Venezuela. The capital city is the Caracas, and a common nickname is a little village, or often referred to informally as the Land of Grace. So, gitawag din siya Land of Grace tungod ni Christian Columbus. Kaya captivated siya sa immense natural beauty, lush landscape, and friendly indigenous people he encountered during his first voyage. Next is a brief history. So Venezuela is a South American nation with a tumultuous history marked by a rapid transition from the 19th century agricultural society to a 20th century oil powerhouse, followed by the 21st century colonial collapse. Originally colonized by Spain in the 1520s, it called a Bolivar of independence led by Simon Bolivar in the early 1800s. The nation has been shaped by a cycle of dictatorship, oil-bound democratic experiments, and socialist revolution, currently culminating in a savory humanitarian and economic crisis. So the flag of Venezuela is a horizontal tricolor of yellow, blue, and red with 8 white stars in an arc, adopted in its current form in 2006. So the yellow color represents the richness of the land, wealth, sovereignty, justice, and agriculture. And so the blue represents the Caribbean Sea separating Venezuela from Spain, also justice and loyalty. So the red color represents the blood spilled during the struggle for independence from Spain. So the star is indicated by 5 pointed stars arranged in a semicircle.
Pero ba ito sa Jaja nga?
Represent the 7
Pilay
regional
ka to.
provinces,
Pilay
which
siya.
is Caracas, Romania, Barinas, Margarita, Barcelona, Merida, Toledo. That's the province of Guayana. Next is the Europe. So Venezuela is located in the North and South America within the northern and western hemispheres, bordering the Caribbean Sea and Atlantic Ocean. It covers a total area of approximately 916,445 kilometers. The nation is defined by diverse geography, including the Andes Mountains in the west, the Guayana Highlands in the south, the Central Llanos Plains, and the Orinoco Rivers extent. So Venezuela culture is a vibrant blend of indigenous, African, and Spanish influences, emphasizing family, hospitality, and lively celebration. Key traditions include Catholic festivals like Carnival and dancing tables from the art. The center around food staples like arepas and pavilion polo. Spanish is dominant spoken alongside classical traditional style. So next is Turkey. As of 2026, the population of Venezuela is estimated to be approximately 28.6 billion to 34.9 billion people. So with a heavily urbanized, predominantly young, and ethnically mixed demographic of around 30 years old, Venezuela is known for its melting pot
Ecuador.
So, next is the Ecuador, land of Ecuador. So, overview is the official name of Ecuador is the Republic of Ecuador, which is translated from the Spanish official name República del Ecuador. It is a sovereign state in South America, and its dignitary is Republic of Ecuador, as its capital. So, the brief history is Ecuador is that culturally a diverse South American nation with a autonomous history defined by indigenous and civilizations, European conquest, Spanish colonial rule, and challenging transition to republic, marked by a 19th century liberal conservative struggle and 20th century economic reliance on agriculture and oil exports. So modern Ecuador, located on the northwest coast of South America, officially adopted the US dollar and the laws and reason for its high degree of biodiversity. So, one shall Ecuador flag. So, the Ecuador flag is a yellow, blue, and red horizontal tricolor inspired by Grand Colombian symbolizing resources, the ocean, and independence. So, the yellow represents representing the fertility and crops, while the blue is the sky or ocean, and red is the flag of heroes, anchor the design. So, next is the geography. Ecuador is a country located in northwest South America, starting the equator, crossing both northern and southern hemispheres to the Pacific coast. It is bordered by Colombia to the north and Peru to the east and south, covering a land area of roughly 256,470 to 283,561 kilometers, including the Galapagos Island. Its geography is defined by three main regions, which is the Andean Highlands, Sierra, the Pacific Coast, Costa, and the Amazon Rainforest Oriente. So next is their culture. Ecuadorian culture is a vibrant blend of indigenous, Spanish colonial, and Amazonian influences, emphasizing strong family ties, Catholicism, and lively community festival. Key highlights include the Andean music, colorful textiles, and regional culinary specialties like ceviche and guapo de papa. The country uses the US dollar, and Spanish is the primary language alongside official indigenous languages. So next is their people. Ecuador is a highly diverse, predominantly Muslim nation from 1820
Uy, hindi na mo paggamit.
Characterized by a young population, diverse mix of indigenous, European, and African tradition, and an
Isud taman, guys.
way of life divided by the Andean Highlands, the Pacific Coast, and the Amazon.
Umakuan, ano
So
na.
their religion is the Roman Catholic Christianity, was the dominant religion of Ecuador, with approximately 68% to 80% of the population identifying as Catholic. While the country is typically a super state, Catholicism remains the dominant influence of cultural identity, social customs, and public holidays often share with Catholic provinces. So, government and leadership of Ecuador is a unitary presidential republic with a representative democratic system, where the president functions as both the head of state and head of the government. So it is located in the heart of Quito, Ecuador. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is popular for its exceptional well-preserved colonial architecture, including 24 churches, 13 plazas, and stunning sites like the Basilica del Volto Nacional and Taco Catholic Church. So, ang entrance fee niya is na siya sa $2 to $5. Ang mga makalani kay ang mga sila ng museums niya, kanang churches ang inakuha. So, next is the Baños de Agua Santa, or Baños Tuluroa. So, it's a private adventure and wellness destination in Ecuador's Tumuroa province, often called as Distrito de Amazon. It is famous for its natural hot springs, massive waterfalls like Canyon Lake, Del Diablo, and bungee jumping. Visitor loves the town for its volcanic landscape, intense nature, and rhythmic and expensive adventure activities. So next is Cotopaxi National Park. So it is located in the
Wow.
Victorian Andes, about 50 kilometers from south of Quito. It is a primary tourist destination for famous for housing the 5,897-meter active volcano Cotopaxi. Cotopaxi is popular spot for its dramatic scenery, hiking opportunities, including the Jose Rivas Refuge, horseback riding, and spotting wildlife like Andean foxes and llamas. Ang entrance fee ay kay February siya. So the last one of tourist destination is the Cuenca.
Cuenca.
So Cuenca, also known as the Cathedral de la Immaculada Concepcion. So ang isya is yung cathedral is siya located in the Cuenca, Ecuador. It is a attraction. It is famous for its iconic blue domes, stunning colonial style architecture, and being one of the largest churches in South America. Entrance fee is kanang siya sa $2 to $3. So the travel information to $3. Traveling from the Philippines.
$1 is equivalent to 56 pesos.
5 hours usually involving 2 to 3 stops in North America or Europe arriving at Quito or Guayaquil, with flights costing $76,000 to $150,000. Ecuadorian currency is the US dollar, and the Philippine passport holder. There's typically get a visa. Through transportation in the country includes regional flights and for short
Powder there.
buses and taxis.